Promoting media literacy in our community. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into an incredibly relevant topic: promoting media literacy in the community. In our rapidly advancing digital age, it's more important than ever to be media literate. But what does it mean, and how can we promote it in our own communities? Let's explore. First and foremost, let's define what we mean by media literacy. Media literacy is the ability to critically analyze and interpret the media we consume. It involves understanding the nature, techniques, and impacts of media messages and productions. Think of it as the difference between simply watching a news segment and analyzing who produced it, why, and what it means. So, why is media literacy crucial? Well, 1. Empowerment. It empowers individuals to be active consumers, not just passive recipients of information. 2. Critical thinking. It sharpens our critical thinking, which is crucial in distinguishing fact from fiction. 3. Active participation. A media literate person can participate more actively in their community and democracy. Now that we know what it is and why it matters, let's discuss how we can promote it. 1. Workshops and seminars. Organizing events that educate individuals about media production, the biases inherent in any piece of media, and the techniques used to attract attention. 2. Discussion groups. Creating groups where community members can discuss recent news or media events critically. 3. Educate the younger generation, integrating media literacy lessons in schools and extracurricular activities. 4. Leverage local media. Encourage local media outlets to participate in or create content that educates about media literacy. 5. Create resources. Develop and distribute resources, like pamphlets, brochures, that guide individuals on how to be media literate. Of course, promoting media literacy isn't without challenges. 1. Resistance to change. Some individuals might resist the idea, especially if they believe it challenges their long-held beliefs. 2. Digital divide. Not everyone has equal access to digital resources and education. 3. Overwhelming amount of media. With so much media content out there, it can be challenging to analyze everything critically. Promoting media literacy is a collective effort, but the rewards, a more informed, empowered, and critical community, are well worth it. We hope this video sheds light on the importance of media literacy and provides a starting point for promoting it in your community. Remember, in a world overflowing with information, it's our duty to consume it responsibly. Stay curious and stay critical.